time being, though, let's get in our technical expert to get a quick check on the markets. Manish Hathiramani joins us. Hi, Manish. Good morning. Manish, what are you advising your clients? The markets seem to be selling on any kind of bounce. What is your advice? Do you believe we can see a short covering bounce? There is some short covering that has happened, but it's not reflected in the stock prices or in the index prices.
Good morning, Nigel and Mangalam. Thank you so much for having me on the show. Well, I continue to believe we are in bear territory. And if you see recently, we had this mild up move, which went up to the levels of close to 17,000 from there. That's not a coincidence. The reason for that is because we have now turned range bound. And the lower end and the upper end is 16,900 and 17,200 respectively. At best 17,250. And now if we break 16,900 with this particular down move, we will go down to 16,650, 16,700.
All right, 16,650 to 16,700 is what you're eyeing on the frontline index. A word on the Nifty Bank, Manish, before you talk about your individual stock picks?
Because in that too, what was coinciding with 17,200 on the Nifty was about 40,200 on the Bank Nifty. And that's turned from, we are again range bound over there as well. So give or take a few points, we would be looking at about 30,200, 39,200 to be precise at the lower end of the range.
Okay, and what do you have in terms of individual stocks for us? The mid-cap index is underperforming.
I'm working with two frontliners. The first sell is on ONGC for a target of 145, stop loss of 154. The stock has broken the support of 154 on the back of good volumes. This should allow it to achieve a new short-term low. The second sell is on Axis Bank for a target of 815, stop loss of 850. This stock recently met with its resistance at 60, and that's where we've turned from. We also have an inclining volume pattern with a drop in price, which is a bearish signal.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot, Manish, for stopping by and filling us in with your views as well as stock-specific information. Well, keep an eye on the index.